So in addition to being like one of the coolest names ever for a hard rock band, we've got a situation within UCS Director where we can support the provisioning of bare metal servers, and that's done via their bare metal agent. This is going to allow you to be able to do a lot of different things within the environment. It's really built to be able to automate the process of installing operating systems on a new server, and it leverages something called Pixie Boot, or a pre-boot execution environment. It's prepackaged with a virtual machine within the platform that has a DHCP server built into it. It also has a TFTP server to be able to pass the information about the image itself, so the server can download that image via TFTP. It also has an HTTP server on it too, to be able to support larger image file sizes. In addition, it's got the ability to be able to integrate directly with UCS Director, and it provides and shares the UCS Director console and database. So you don't have to worry about going to it natively to be able to do any configuration or management. It can all be done via UCS Director. So the bare metal agent has a couple of things that you've got to make sure that are available to be able to support it. First off, the bare metal agent must be able to reach the UCS Director over the network. So as we mentioned before, you control it and manage it via the UCS Director, so it stands to reason that the virtual machine that has the bare metal agent must reach the UCS Director. You also have to be able to have support for the UCS Director to reach the bare metal agent too. So it's not just a one-way street. They both have to communicate to each other because the actual configuration is going to come directly from UCS Director. In addition, the servers and the agents must be on the same network. This is where leveraging the capabilities of the DHCP server, well, guess what? That's a layer 2 type of communication. So you're going to be directly connecting to it over that network. So it has to be on the same logical subnet. You can only have one bare metal agent per UCS Director appliance. So from a scalability perspective, you're only going to have one BMA for this environment. So let's talk a little bit about how it works. So the first thing that happens is UCS Director sends a Pixie record to the bare metal agent. So that Pixie record gets stored within the DHCP server, so it can then send that information to the client when it requests it. The server makes a DHCP request, the BMA provides an IP address, and then it provides that Pixie boot initiation. So from there, the server is now going to start doing that Pixie boot. So the BMA then provides the OS installation image or redirects the image to a repository. So you can, again, have it either loaded on the agent itself, depending upon the size, or you can have it sent to another repository if it's a very large file. But that's pretty much how the bare metal agent operates.